Hi guys, today I want to share the story of when I was a boy, why I got the inspiration of having the fish. As 7 years old, I went to my friend's home, everybody got a fish. So when I came back home, I asked my grandma and she rejected me. She said I was too young. So later I had saved the money and I asked my friend to do me a favor. So I went to the fish farm and I got, like a pair of the goldfish, male and female, in my plastic on the way back home. So that was the beginning that how I started having my freshwater fish at the first time as a young boy. But later I went to the US to study and I started my hobby having the freshwater fish. Once I came back home in Thailand later, I started to have my own business with my job. So I started to have my first time with the saltwater fish. That was about 17 years ago. So the saltwater fish, it was like fulfill my dream because it looks very beautiful, colorful, and very, very stunning. So this is the thing that, I had my passion and I totally loved, saltwater fish. It's the most incredible, colorful, and beautiful. If somebody asks me, is it very hard to take care, the saltwater fish? I would say yes, but anything in life, what you ever like it, if you like it for real, you can always make it. And that can fulfill your happiness. Have you found one? At least I did. Hi guys, this is my boy, my son. He's very smart, he's a nice guy. What you have right here, what's his name? Snoopy? Do you like Snoopy a lot? Okay, good. Now, I'm just taking a little video clips right now just to see Daddy aquariums. Yeah, that's Snoopy of you. Okay, now that's good. So I'm just gonna shoot to the fish, and you can see my fish swimming. On the top here is actually my aquarium, just getting ready to be like release all the fish up there. So these are at the bottom tank. You can see the fish right there, and that's my boy Tamichi. Tamichi, say hi to Daddy. Come on. How you doing? Say. Are you good? Are you good? Yeah, good. Hey guys, what's up? This is my bottom tank. Which I have about 10 creatures right now. Michi is taking a look and to see my fish, which is little cute, Snoopy. And that's at the bottom tank right now. You see two Dora right in a little spot right there. So these fish are getting ready to be moved, up there in my aquarium in top, So it's very awesome, So I feel more relaxing when every time you see the sea fish, they're so stunning and beautiful. Don't you think so, Michi? You said yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right. These are my 3 powder blue, tanks. These 2 right here, they're being fed, with the food. เดี๋ยวมาติดตามตอนต่อไปนะครับ ตอนต่อไปก็คือเป็นตอนเกี่ยวกับกลุ่มดอกไม้ทะเลแล้วก็มีความแตกต่างของปลาหลากหลายนะครับที่ครูแม็กเนี่ยเลี้ยงปลาทะเลจากช่วงเวลาหนึ่งมาถึงช่วงเวลาหนึ่งครับในการเลี้ยงปลาทะเลนั้นเนี่ยนะครับผู้เลี้ยงเนี่ยจะต้องมีตู้ข้างบนและตู้ข้างล่างนะครับก็คือตู้ข้างบนเนี่ยคือตู้หลักในการเลี้ยงปลาทะเลนะครับส่วนตู้ล่างเนี่ยเป็นระบบกรองน้ำจะมีโปรตีนสกิมเมอร์เหมือนในรูปภาพนี่ครับเพื่อกรองนะครับของเสียนะครับในกลุ่มของเสียต่างๆนะครับที่ปั่นออกมาแล้วก็กรองล่างเนี่ยสามารถที่จะกักปลาได้นะครับหรือทำเป็นเรฟูเจียมนะครับเป็นพวกสาหร่ายนะครับเพื่อบำบัดน้ำนะครับแต่ตู้ของครูแม็กเนี่ยตอนนี้ก็คือเอามากักปลาแล้วเลี้ยงดอกไม้ทะเลในกลุ่มเห็ดโกรฟนะครับแล้วก็จะเป็นกลุ่มพวกกระดุมนะครับ here, take a look at my sea aquariums. So this is a big size of the sea fish. This is called the saltwater tank. This is about 8 inches long, and that one about 7 inches long. It's a blue tank with a yellow tummy. And you can see my